The 3D Whiteboard is a visual collaboration tool that allows stakeholders of the project to perform live, interactive project reviews. The tool can be launched directly from the connected applications or from the project page. The results panel enables users to look at the various 3D assets as they are generated throughout the workflow. In this example, users can switch between the nominal, print, and compensated geometries to examine the details of the design, print, and process simulations. The complete process data, such as build plate configurations and support structures, are also conveniently available to provide a holistic context to all the different stakeholders in the project. The 3D Whiteboard provides easy-to-use collaboration tools that greatly simplify the process of contextualizing reviews. Users can pin comments directly to 3D by clicking on any visible part of the model. All comments carry a status field which helps to track actions as they get resolved. Comments are always made in the context of the project and can be pinned to any of the geometries that are visible in the project. In addition to pinning comments, the 3D Whiteboard provides inking and snapshot tools that aid with documenting and capturing of issues. With the inking tool, users can easily redline and highlight areas of interest directly on the 3D canvas that need attention. Here, the process engineer notices an area of concern with the total displacement on the compensated model. Once marked up, he captures a snapshot to document the issue for later reviews. Snapshots are conveniently available in the snapshot panel and can be used later to go back to the exact view as documented live in 3D. Now that we've seen all the collaboration capabilities of the 3D Whiteboard in a browser environment, let us see how all of this is supercharged with an industry-first Microsoft Teams integration. The Nexus 3D Whiteboard is available as a Teams app that can be added to any live Teams meeting to enable a fully immersive, real-time collaboration environment for project meetings. In addition to audio and video collaboration, the embedded 3D Whiteboard brings live avatars and user presence in 3D to enable participants to co-view, co-edit, and co-author content together. Design and project reviews can be conducted directly within the project space, where data flows such as import, export, and audit trails are automatically maintained behind the scenes by the system.